How to buy BOTIFY token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener, and the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's mean investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, for that, open your Phantom wallet. Log in to your wallet like that. So after that, click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to redact it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slip hash. So this is how to buy a BOTIFY token. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.